Please.
Your Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, PS to the President. Good afternoon. Your Excellency, Mr. President, we have some very special guests with you who have been working with you for some time, that you have entrusted so much into their hands. Before us this afternoon, we have our staff. We have the Chief of Air Staff. We also have the Chief of Defense Intelligence. We have the Acting Chief of Army Staff. As Lieutenant General.
It's not a flower, right?
Major General Oluyede was born on 21st of June 1968, on 19th of September 1992, in the rank of second lieutenant, with seniority in the same rank, effective from 12th of September 1987. He is one of the infantry corps and rose to the rank of Major General in September. These courses include Young Officers Course, Infantry, Regimental Signal Officers Course, Junior Staff Course, Senior Staff Course, Military Observer Course, Logistics Officers Course, Commanding Officers Course, and Senior Executive Course at the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies. He holds a Bachelor of Science degree in economics. Major General Oluyede has continued to prove himself as a competent professional soldier, with reputable military regimentation and bearing. He has held several command, staff, and instructional and operational appointments over the years. They include platoon commander, adjutant at 65 Battalion, company commander at 177 Guards Battalion, and later posted to the headquarters Guards Brigade as a staff officer, and later a senior instructor. Thereafter, Major General Oluyede has participated in several operations, which include Economic Community of West African States Monitoring Group. Erudite senior officer has also carved a niche for himself in the realm of operations, especially in the North Headquarters Sector 2 operations, Hadden K, where he commanded several successful operations which led to the neutralization of some key Boko Haram terrorist commanders and several of their foot soldiers. General Oluyede was also a director at the Army Headquarters Department of Policy and Plans, where he was sergeant, 6th Division, as General Officer Commanding. Major General Oluyede is service, absolute dedication to the nation, and numerous exploits in various theater operations within and outside the country. He was Oluyede to be decorated as Lieutenant General Olufemi.
Wait.
Oh.
How
And Baba has not been
I need to
boxing champion. Excellency, sir.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. That brings us to the end of this ceremony. Thank you.
It's something highly regrettable, and the country as a whole, under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, did the very best for him to be alive with us today. But as we all know, we all belong to God, and it takes, I said, when it feels necessary for him to do so. So it's on a very somber note that I'm talking this moment, because the entire Nigerian army is actually in a very sorrowful mood, having lost our leader, Lieutenant General T.A. Lagbaja. This was someone that gave his all to Nigeria. He was a selfless leader. Very passionate about Nigeria. And he led the Nigerian army very well. He was courageous. He was known to be thorough and a professional to the core. So it's a big loss to us. And all we could say at this moment is that we pray that the good Lord will find a good place for him to rest. Then I want to enjoin Nigerians. For someone that have given his all to Nigeria, we need to celebrate him. So in that, I think I want Nigerians to actually celebrate him for the good job he did while alive. Like I said earlier, we want to thank Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, his wife, because his wife was in touch with us all too, and for the entire Nigerians who, one way or the other, got in touch with us to know how he was faring. We thank everyone, and I'll conclude by praying that his soul should rest in peace.